Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm showing you the Dashing Along Designer Series paper. This paper is not in the holiday mini catalog. This paper is actually exclusive to a promotion that is going on the entire month of September. So the entire month of September, any order of $250 or a hostess party of $250, the hostess will earn this paper for free. So gather some friends or gather some orders or have a nice big order yourself so that you can earn this amazing paper. I love it mostly because it is only 3 colors. Well, if you call white a color, I guess. So it's Whisper White, Garden Green, and Cherry Cobbler. Those are just very quintessential Christmas colors or holiday colors. So they're great for that, but they're also beautiful patterns that can be used for so many other occasions as well. This one is so elegant and gorgeous. It could be used for any sort of wedding cards or anything like that. I think that would be stunning for, and I'm loving that newspaper print for some reason. I'm usually not an antique newspaper print person, but I am super loving that one. And then this would make great man cards just with that stripe there. So lots of great options with this paper that's not always holiday themed. And the fact that you can get it for free makes it even more fabulous. So of course there's 12 sheets in this pack and they're all double-sided, so you can see there's 1, 2, and 3 of the patterns, so you actually get 4 sheets of each, which is great for making multiples, which a lot of us are doing during the holiday season and stuff. So I'm just going to go through each of these sheets with you so that you can see them on a full scale and you can actually understand what each of these sheets looks like for the amazing promotion in September. What did you think of the Dashing Along Designer Series paper? Are you loving it too? Which sheet is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see if it's the same as mine or if you're loving some of the other prints and patterns. And of course, don't forget that you can earn this with a $250 order in the month of September, which of course you would be earning my free stamp set of the month as well as lots of goodies with my Laura's Loyal Stamper points. You can also have a party. My fall is booking up very fast. September is quite full, rather, especially on weekends. I do still have some weekdays open, but then of course I can always do an online party or catalog party too. So let me know if you're interested in that. Definitely just reach out or leave me a comment down below and we can discuss further options on that. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, to see samples using this paper. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. I'll talk to you all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!